Hey, did you know that JavaScript is the brain behind almost every interactive websites that you use daily, from Amazon to YouTube, and it's everywhere. And if you are wondering from where to start, you are in the right place. So in this video, you will see what is JavaScript and why is it so important. And you will also be able to run your first program in the browser only. So let's get started. So what is JavaScript and why is it so important? So JavaScript is one of the most popular programming languages in the world, and it allows us to interact with the web pages, and we can also control the elements on the web page using JavaScript. So the real life example of this would be simply our brain. Just as the brain controls the behavior and movements of the body, JavaScript also controls the behavior of the web pages. So let's understand these 2 points with the help of a very simple web page. As here we have a very simple web page where we have 3 buttons. The first button will simply change the light and dark mode, will toggle between light and dark mode. The second will increase the text size, and the third will decrease the text size. It means it will simply interact with the web page. So see, it's toggling between light and dark mode, and here the text size is getting increased, and with this button it's getting decreased. So as you have seen that it allows us to interact with the web pages, and we are controlling the elements of the web pages using JavaScript. And how to get started with JavaScript? Simply with the help of script tag. So you need to place the script tag inside the body of your HTML document. And why inside the body? So for this I have a separate video. If you want, you can go and watch that. There you will have an idea why you should always place the script tag inside the body of your HTML. So to start with JavaScript, we can simply have a hello world program. So to print that hello world, here we have console.log. So in JavaScript, we have console.log, that is the print statement used here in JavaScript. Just as in Java programming language, we have system.out.println, and in C programming, we have printf. So in JavaScript, we have console.log. Although we have many other console statements, but this one is the most commonly used. So simply console.log and hello world. Then simply we need to go to the browser and right click and go to this inspect. So there you will find this console option. So see, we have got the output, that is simply hello world. But wait, for the simple web page, we have this much JavaScript code. So see, so let's say we want to have a website, then we will have more such codes like JavaScript code. Then that time, having so many JavaScript code placed in a single HTML document will be quite unmaintainable, and you cannot have that much code in a single file only. So we have a solution for this as well. That is external JavaScript. So instead of this script tag, you can create a new file. Let's say script.js. You can give any name to this file, but the extension should be .js. Then simply you need to link your HTML file to the external JavaScript file. So for this, simply you need to use a script tag. With src attribute would be simply the name of the file you just created, that is script.js. and then simply console.log with hello world. So now let's check. Or let's say, so hello coders. So now let's check. So see, we got the output, right? So yes, that's it for this video. Hope you all understood about JavaScript and its importance. So see you all in the next one. Till then, take care.